Decision fatigue. When a person's decision taking ability worsens after taking a lot of decisions, it is a state of mental exhaustion. If you find yourself caught up in decision fatigue quite a lot, here are 7 handy tips to make your life easier. 1. The most important decisions that truly matter, which require a lot of brain power, take them early in the morning. And that way, you'll be able to take them better before reaching a state of exhaustion. 2. Simplify your life. Eliminate too many choices. As opposed to a very colorful wardrobe that I have in my bedroom, my husband has got only blacks in his. And all that he has to do every morning before taking a shower is to go and pick up another crisp, neatly ironed black. He has removed one more choice from his life, and that makes his life simpler. 3rd, plan ahead. There are a lot of things that we can plan way in advance as opposed to on the go. For example, meal prep. What is it that you will be eating during the week? Also, segregating your wardrobe into what you will wear for the party wear, evening wear, weekend wear, weekday wear, and night wear will make your life easier because you will not have to wander through the entire lot while choosing up something appropriate for an occasion. 4th, bring some routines in, some nice structure where you have a set time when you get up, a set time when you go to sleep, dedicated time for exercises, for winding up your day, for finishing your meals. And that way, all that you have to do is go and follow blindly the routines. 5th, delegate. Make sure that you have got the right people in your environment that you can trust to make decisions on your behalf because they are subject matter experts. They're the master of that particular area. Look, the burden of the entire universe, of all the decisions in the world, is not squarely on your shoulders. So chill, sit, while others make some decisions for you. 6th, time cap your decisions. We humans are very complex. We love to think and think. We love to stay in the conundrum of thoughts. So time cap them. Time cap them so that you're not lost in decisions for hours, for days, or for months even, so that you are able to reach them quicker. And the last one, rather than focusing too much on making a right decision, focus on taking a decision and then making it right. And that way you will know that it was not worth taking yourself through that exhaustive process of reaching every decision, because it is your second nature to take a decision and then commit to it and do everything to make it right. And decision making will come easy for you.